Tia, you been your head. If I told. Then talk about you daddy. Down when they did any or tippy. Down from what damage. Was so poor. When you say maybe I feel I'm money, whatever over you. Intimacy so. We are already a member assassin. Because they don't want to be on chance. Or couldn't need you to say, come on. 50. Almost 20 million. I made that 10 with it. 100 million, 50 million. Opposite and found. There been a so yes, I saw your money I read. Me money I read. What's the money I read? Ah, now me never do more. Let's cover what I say. There be any night. Ah, see, no wookie. Me your banner be any a scene. What do you mean is 60 beers, 60 40. Oh, 60 million, maybe 40 million. There be 60%. And I mean, it's 80-20 now we work for 20. Sister, for you can paper as I mean, it's 80-20. What are they analyzing on the end 70-30? And 40%. Ah, now Nipa. I read woman. Oh, yeah, I read man. What's our father? My skin. Oh, the name is Mano. I don't call them the oh, that's what you maybe. But I said, no, I said, you might. I oppose this. I'm addressing all that. Addressing you. I've been better. Oga. Mr. Unzayu. Yeah. Oh my God. Oga. I tell you, Ibu is your brother. Yes, exactly. What's the face of brother? And okay, Oga. Guys, it's your brother. Ozuba, yeah. And Chile Queen guys. Yeah, it's your brother. Sit down. Oh my goodness, oh my. Sit down. My God. Oga, she's my friend. That's your friend. Oh yeah. Oh, that's very good. This girl, I like to give it to you to marry her. Oh really? The whole area. This gets better for you. Oh really? I'm telling you, sister. It's a humble and faithful and Christianity. Everything. I'm telling you. This but is a yellow purple. Oh yeah. The natural. It's not poly. Oh okay. Can I don't trust on and then they put up pommy. Yeah. This Oga from Nigeria. He's my best friend. He visits me. Yeah. He wants to marry, but you don't find the correct ladies. That's why I bring to talk to my face. Hola, talk. Yeah. Sister, how are you? I'm doing good. I hope that you are looking so great. I'm great. See me. When the Ghana people say Abosikato, you know what I'm trying to say. Really? Abosikato. You mean money and? I have money. I will marry you, really? Okay? This is my best friend. I have one of my best friends is this man. And he want to introduce you to me. I just love you. The way your skin and everything is perfect. Thank you. Thanks for the compliment. But I think that you are not okay, like the way... Oh, she's okay. She's okay. Yeah. When we are coming, his mother is so controversial. Oh, okay. Yeah, he need money. Oh, she's living at the hospital right now. And now my catcher says here for a hospital. What are you saying? Yeah, I tell her. Okay, yeah, explain something. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Oh, God. The thing is, yeah, she's talking to you. He's talking to you. Yeah. The thing is, I'm not even myself right now. And that is exactly you are. I'm seeing yourself like. What is wrong? My mom is at the hospital right now. Oh my goodness. Yes. Seriously. Oh my goodness. G5. Do you know G5? G5. It's that the last one you go there, they will die. Oh God, though. So you need money, eh? She's under operation right now. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Sorry. And the doctors are demanding an amount of 5,000. 50 million. 5,000 Ghana. Yeah. Yes. Which is $1,000. Which is $1,000. Yeah.
See, for the sake of my friend and you, don't worry about it.
Oh, God bless you.
If I not get the 50 and if I get maybe 1,000 or 20 or...
Oh, okay.
It's fine.
It's okay.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Oh, me.
Okay. Oh, don't cry. Okay, she's crying.
Oh, no, don't cry. Don't cry. It's okay.
Thank God. Everything.
No, everything is okay. Don't cry. In Ghana, he assisting our property, they kill people.
Oh.
So don't worry about it.
You do a pressing from here to here.
Oh.
The letter pie here.
Ha.
Yeah.
Spinal cord?
Yeah, spinal cord. Spinal cord. Spinal cord.
Ah. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. Oh, sister. It's okay. I'm very happy.
Don't cry. Okay, he's a good person.
See, I will give you one. Don't cry, okay?
Don't cry. It's okay.
Don't worry, take it. This one is tough.
Okay, it's a very... What kind of husband? What kind of husband? Mario, what kind of husband?
This is 1,000.
Yeah, 1,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
Are you sure it's 1,000?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me count it for you. Don't worry about it, okay?
It's such a deal, remember? I can't have it.
1,001.
No, it's 1,000. Don't worry, take
1,001 or
it.
1,002.
It's 1,000.
That one, no, add it.
No, this one.
Please add it.
No, I want to keep it.
Transportation, please add it.
I want to keep this one, but don't worry, you take it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, spend money on women.
Because
what kind of women?
See, because of you, I'm doing this.
Oh yeah, I know.
So he's very kind. Okay, you see, let me rush to the hospital.
Yeah. I think that you go
No.
I can't bring something.
No, please. Let me rush to the hospital.
Use a soup to go to hospital.
Yeah.
Also going to Mama, waiting.
See, don't worry. So when you go, come back. Now it's 3 o'clock.
You give me your number. I'm going to call you.
Oh, I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Yeah. When you finish, call me fast and come to see here, okay? Okay, the very nice
so don't worry about it, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, all right. So from there, I think we will talk, okay?
Okay, thank you.
My boss will take the number. So
don't cry, okay?
Mommy.
Oh, no. Don't cry. Mommy. Don't cry. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, it's okay.
Thank you.
Somebody, when I refer to you. Oh my goodness. Mr. Chidi, what happened? Mr. Chidi. 1,000. I'm coming. Where we went there?
There's something I made for Mukesi and I'm 500 or the money for transportation.
10 million.
Now,
hey, where's my
yes.
Where's my where's 7 million? 3 million.
Now, so we know
bonus. Now, before I come and call again. I will be afraid. I have 7 million. I want to maybe. But the police station here, this 3 million. What is it? Why is it, bro? Oh yes, I do. Bye. Bye. Timmy, call me. Okay. Oh.
You go.
Yeah, I told you.
You know, say you are very good.
Oh yeah.
You are very good.
Oh.
I just like you.
When I say yes, it's yes. I tell you, I give you the very collect woman to you. The whole this area, that guy is a better for you.
Why you go blind this guy? He's very beautiful.
Hey, president, MPs, ministers, billionaires chasing that guy. Mimi.
Really?
Mimi. M-I. Mimi.
Oh my goodness.
You don't know the guy.
Charlie, too much.
Yeah.
It's a girl is very good. I want to go to town.
He the same sitting his mother. You want to rent the house?
Okay, the house. You want to
when
rent it?
when you come, try to rent
Oh, don't worry. As soon as you do whatever I like it.
If you do that, you will die for you. Rent house for free.
What about if I rent it? What about car? Oh, it's okay.
Oh, car for when you chop anything, you buy car.
Okay.
You're good.
I'm going. So later we will talk.
Okay.
Oh, but take this. Oh, take this and
yeah. What about that?
So it's okay. Or you go.
Oh.
Don't worry.
Okay.
So we go talk later.
Okay. Asia di ma 4 man ka 1 million. Manya 3.5 we go 4.5. Asia. O zero. Dem yo baba. Asia to put in Nigeria ambassador. We say tune. It's my best friend in Nigeria. Tune. Yeah.